Hello and welcome to the introduction summary of the business courses being offered through Organizing Gnomes LLC as part of a program that we are still working on the name of, but we're playing with whole business curriculum. And the first class that we're going to offer is called Relational Marketing 101. The description for the program is learn the art of creating your own individualized marketing and sales pipelines. Discover your flavor of creating magnetic customer relationships, utilizing a groundbreaking, simple approach that integrates your personal talents and gifts with practical, efficient tactics to make your marketing budget go further. This course is going to be offered in person, and we are working on the schedule. Check back for more information on the schedule. If you happen to have space available in Castle Rock, where you'd be interested in hosting these classes, please give me a call. My phone number is in the video information below. The course summary, in terms of the timeline, is expected to last around 2 hours. It's going to start with a 10-minute introduction and monthly spotlight. So the monthly spotlight will feature a local business in Castle Rock and introduce the class to that business. Then it'll be followed by a guest speaker, which will take about 30 minutes. After that, we'll have a 10-minute break, followed by the lesson for the class for the day. It'll be the monthly marketing lesson. So each class will have a different lesson based on ways that individuals can create really custom, individualized plans for their business. And that can vary anything from how you are reaching out to your clients to the actual tactics that you're using to generate interest in your business, the awareness campaigns that you may or may not have in your marketing plans currently, new and inexpensive guerrilla campaign type tactics that can help you learn more about where your gaps in your marketing plans are, and just countless other aspects of your marketing plan that you've never even thought of that could be all the difference in why it feels like you're trying so hard to launch your marketing plan and keep up with your tactics, and not actually seeing the fruits of those labors. There are some unique levers that I've discovered in my career and my experience working in marketing and with clients and small businesses and large businesses and businesses of all sizes. And sometimes just having some coaching from a different perspective from someone who is experienced in a different industry can give you that aha moment that you've been looking for to transform the way that you do business, as well as marketing it. And so, as you can tell, I can talk more about this, but let's keep going. The next part of the course will be a Q&A period for about 10 minutes following that lesson, for clarification and continued growth, as well as application to businesses that are represented in the room. And then the last 30 minutes of the course will be a networking experience, which will be different every time and will teach us different parts about ourselves and each other that help bring out each other's genius in our businesses in ways that you wouldn't have been able to do it on your own. These networking experiences are arguably the most valuable piece of this course. But it's at the very end because it's designed to incorporate all of the learnings of the day, as well as monopolizing on the fact that these individuals have just spent an hour and a half in each other's presence and might be brave enough to show their authentic selves in networking experiences, which is one of the most difficult things for people to accomplish well in today's modern business world is networking. And creating those genuine relationships. So these will be facilitated networking experiences. And even if this marketing class doesn't sound sexy to you, there is another course that will have a very similar structure that will be based on the operations side of small businesses. So there is a video about that one if you are more interested in the operations side. These are both introductory courses that are prerequisites for more advanced courses. So the marketing course, once you take that one, then you have fulfilled that requirement and you can move on to the more advanced version of that, in which case we will have some even more adventurous networking experiences and lessons. And then on the side of the operations, similar. It'll contain the similar structure, but it'll just have that different flavor and theme of being about the business operations. So as you can see, based on this lovely background that I have here, I am in my spaceship, and I'm going to teach you guys how to operate in your marketing and business functioning spaceships. And in an effort to just keep it fun, right? Like the more success that we have in this world is directly reflected by how much fun we're having. So you can look forward to having lots of fun in these classes, learning more about yourselves, and also picking up some tips and tricks that really create some aha moments for you to be able to see that you've had the tools all along to transform your business into an even more successful business that supports your family and your hopes and dreams in this world. Because that's why we have businesses, to support those larger goals. And we talk about that in these classes as well. So without any further ado, I hope that you were excited enough to check out this wild adventure of a marketing course and sign up below. There's a form, just submit, and we're just gonna keep building this ship as we go and see how far into the galaxy we can get together. Bye, guys.